Hey guys, welcome to my video. Today's video is going to be the unboxing of my Darn Good Yarn box for the month of May. The Darn Good Yarn box is a subscription box that you can get monthly. There are different tiers and I have the $10 tier. This box is not sponsored in any way. I bought this with my own money. They have no idea who I am. I just like to unbox them on video with you guys to show you guys what I get, and at the end of the year I'm going to do a wrap up of what I get for the entire year. And I did want to let you guys know, for the month of April, I have not received my box yet. The reason being, with everything going on in the world, the yarn that was going to come in the April box ships from India, and they are not shipping out right now, but our boxes are going to be on the way when they are able to ship out again. So I've skipped over my video for April, and that's why I'm bringing you my May one, because the May one, the yarn that's in this box came from their warehouse, so they were able to ship it out. So my April one will be coming. It's just going to be coming a little later on in the year, given everything that's going on, which is fine. So this is going to be my May box, and let's go ahead and open it up. First, I did just want to comment on the color. The boxes come in a different color every month, which I think is so fun. And this blue is just so happy and cute. I love it so much. So let's open it up. Ooh! All right, so this is the yarn that I got. It's so sparkly. Oh my god, I love it. It's squishy too. It's nice. It comes with a little tag. It'll tell you what it is and the size of the hook or needle that you would want to use, and the size and the weight of the yarn. So cute. Oh, I love it. All right, let's see what else I got. Ooh, okay. It's to count your gauge. Oh, this is awesome. Oh, it's so beautiful. The little lotus flower. Oh, I love it so much. I actually have been meaning to get one of these too. I've been thinking about picking one up from like Joann's or Michael's. So that's awesome that I don't have to do that now. And I got this one and it's beautiful. I just love it. I love the way it looks. Oh my gosh. All right. And then I got a booklet, which you get every month in your box, and it will explain like the yarn, give you some patterns and stuff. So you open it up, and it's gonna, I usually read these after I'm off of video, but it'll tell you like their story, it'll tell you the yarn that you got, your gift that they added, and then about the club, some more stuff about their story. Oh, that yarn is so pretty. It'll come with a knitting pattern and a crochet pattern for the yarn. Oh, I love this. I love what I got. Both of these items are so cute. So the $10 box comes with yarn and then one mystery item that you get. So you're never going to know what this is, but you do know that you are going to get some yarn. So that is going to be my box for May. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. You can like and subscribe for more from me. Follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.